back to my channel. I'm Manoj Guttula. So in this video we will see simulation of G-code G02 and G03. So this is the video part 3. If you didn't watch part 1 and 2 of this video, which I explained detailed program, you can go to the link in the description and you can watch there. It's best before watching this video, watching part 2. Okay, let's continue this video. And see, this video I taken a rough work piece, and first for the rough work piece I will do the step turning, and later I will show you the tool path. Okay, I will playing the video for step turning, which I merged in the program by using subprogram code M98. Okay, I am playing the step turning program first. So now you are seeing the program for G02 and G03. Here we can form the radius to the corner. Okay guys, you see it here. For this part we formed corner radiuses by using G02 and G03. Okay, I will show in the diagram. See, here you can see that we have the radiuses.
Here and here, this radius is formed using G02 and the inner radius formed using G03.
It depends upon the tool directions which we use, and that according to the tool travel we use G02 and G03 alternatively. And guys, this is the video for now, and if you didn't watch the video part 2, please watch. The link is in the description. Okay, see you guys, bye.